Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to show you how I got this look. It's my everyday summer vibe look without foundation. This makeup look is without foundation, believe it or not. No primer, no foundation makeup look, so yeah. I really wanted to do that, and it's like my, you know, whatever I'm wearing, like this everyday kind of life. And yeah, it looks so juicy and so glowy. Like I always love glowing, glossy and juicy, you know. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Oh, before you want to watch, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, please. Thank you. Yay, and now you can watch it. Oh, and like. Yeah, like and comment and then watch. No, you can watch it. Yeah, that's fine. I already have my moisturizer on, so I'm just gonna go with like a lightly tinted skin kind of fresh makeup look, and it's really no makeup, kind of no foundation. So I wanted to use this product. I love it, it's amazing. This is Eaarorian, I'm hoping I'm saying it right, Eaarorian Korean Skin Therapy, and it's a BB cream, and this one SPF 20. Really? Just have SPF 20? Anyways, I have the other SPF on, which is the LTMD, which is like 40 SPF, so 20 plus 40 is 60. So that's protecting me from the sun, you know, especially in the summertime, because it's all about summer look. So I'm going to go with my fingers to apply that. It's kind of thick, you know. You have to kind of squeeze it hard. And I'm going to put right here, here. This is just annoying. I don't know what happened, but we're going to try covering it. And I'm just going to go with my fingers to kind of have this all. You know what? It smells like SPF, but not like the bad SPF, like the good, like I remember this from the childhood. It's so good. You know what? Let's go with another layer. It was kind of like a small layer before, so why not? I love this BB cream, and I love the one from It Cosmetics as well. So it just depends on what kind of day. Sometimes wearing this or that. I love them both. Now I'm gonna go with the concealer, just like where I need, and I'm gonna go with this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric concealer in the shade number 4, just like under here and those problematic area. Okay, and I have my beauty sponge. So it's a very fresh makeup look, and I don't want to set it up with a powder or something. I just really want it to be like natural glow. Like I just want my SPF, and like I'm going to the beach, so I don't have like lots of makeup on. And yeah, I don't have foundation, but I have like the SPF, so I'm protected, and it looks so good on my skin, like it's amazing. And to think that I don't have foundation, this is like a good coverage, okay? But I'm gonna go with like to contour, kind of, you know, cream contour for like every day. This one is like a very natural kind of look. So this one is the stick foundation by Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild stick foundation. So this one is like a kind of a darker shade. This one is a toffee pecan, and this one just slightly dark, so that way I can have like hollow cheeks, you know. Just gonna clean it, and I'm going to apply it like right here, like under my bone, and here, like heart kind of. And then what I like to do is like to elevate the shape right here. It's like, because I put the concealer up to here, this one will just makes it like going up. And here, kind of a contour, but not a contour. Now I'm gonna blend it with the Beauty Blender. But it looks so natural. It doesn't really look like I have like contour. It just looks very natural. Wow. Like I look very bronzed up, like really good. Okay, I need my favorite stick blush for that. It's gonna be the by Terry Glow Stick, the blush and a highlighter in a one. I'm already like almost out of it. I love this one so much. Like I'm using it every day, no matter what look. It just looks amazing on top of everything. Summer look, summer look. Oh my god, looks so fresh. Fresh look. Exactly. And okay, I'm gonna put some on my nose. Like a natural sun-kissed look, you know? And I'm gonna take my finger, like I'm gonna apply right here, just to have it all blended up. I wanted to go with some eyeshadow that is going to be like very like easy to apply, and I wanted to try this ColourPop, a single shadow, and this is in the shade Spoon. This is such a good, like this is stunning. I already swatched it, but amazing. It's just like quick and easy to apply, and I'm applying it with my fingers. So yeah, by the way, I don't have any primer. I don't know if I said it earlier. And I need my inner corner highlight. That's really, really important for me. My Becca Opal highlight is my favorite from my inner corner. So I'm gonna apply it right on here. By the way, how cute is my top? Like, can we just take a moment to appreciate it? I really like to use with my fingers this liquid highlight by Anastasia in the shade Perla. Am I saying it right? I don't know. Yeah, but I'm just going to put it on top of my cheekbones like that, and I'm going to blend it. For my brows, I want to use this brow pencil, very inexpensive, from Wet n Wild as well. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them, but you might want to think about it. Wet n Wild. Yeah, this one is the brow pencil Crayon in the shade Taupe. This is such a good brow pencil. Like, very easy to apply. And I love this shade. And it's like twisted, as you see. And this side, I love it when it has like the brush on this side. And I'm just gonna get all the hair up. Now, I want to go with a little bit more on my eyes, and it's something like quick and easy that, you know, you can do for everyday like summer look. And this is the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I highly recommend it if you're just like such in a such in a rush, you know, and you just like going to apply right there and tap, and that's it, you know, and you have like this amazing makeup look, like you took hours to do, but you literally like did it under 5-10 minutes, I don't know. Alright, just a little, you know, pop. This look need mascara, you know, like my everyday mascara. I'm just gonna do like tight line. So let's tight line here. Oh, by the way, this is Marc Jacob eyeliner in the shade brown. You know, I love this eyeliner so much. So I like to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and this is like an old mascara, but I'm just using it because it's old to kind of have it on my bottom. And then I'm going with a wet fresh mascara by Lancôme, and I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, I finished with my mascara. This is like my everyday mascara. I might do another coat later, but okay, let's do my lips. What do I want for my lips? Well, I'm gonna line them first with the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade, where's the shade? Coconut. Okay, now we're gonna go with the lip gloss, and I specifically like this lip gloss to be very juicy, kind of like to melt the look for like summer vibe. This is Lancôme Lip Gloss. I am obsessed with this lip gloss. I already have it from like last year, and I got it in so many shades, and this is the Polished Rose. Like, I don't know if you know Lancôme lip glosses, their applicator and their color, and like on the lips it just looks so juicy and so pretty. I'm gonna apply it and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see what I'm talking about, right? Like, this is really beautiful. And I'm gonna go around my lips like that. This shade is so beautiful. It's so rose gold, kind of light pink. I love it. This is kind of like my everyday makeup, but it doesn't have any foundation and no primer, so no primer, no foundation, makeup look. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Of course, subscribe. This is so important. Like, it will give me the world. It will mean the world if you will subscribe. And yeah, like this video, and you know, just let me know in the comments, you know, what do you like to see next? Maybe hair tutorials and stuff like that. Just let me know. Yeah, okay? So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Bye!